For the last 20 plus years, Keene Building Products has succeeded in delivering high quality products and services to our partners and customers in the building material industry. Over that course, we have had a handful of products that have fit into the green roof or environmental building markets. However, Keene has not committed to those markets or developing solutions for those markets in the past. That has now changed. We would like to introduce the Keene Green line that is going to show a commitment moving forward to developing solutions for the environmental building industry. We are at a residential building in downtown Chicago with our partners at EcoGardens. They're building green space on a state-of-the-art amenity deck that combines urban luxury and sustainable and green living spaces.
The overall project consists of about a 5,000 square foot amenity deck in the heart of Lincoln Park. It consists of a tennis court, I think a pickleball court, a lot of other amenity spaces like decking, outdoor kitchens, planters, etc. Then we've been contracted to do an extensive green roof throughout the perimeter of the amenity deck. It will be 4 inches deep in thickness, primarily consisting of sedums and drought-tolerant perennials. Stormwater management is one of the key reasons why green roofs are being built. A 4-inch green roof can handle up to a 1-inch rainfall in a 24-hour period.
For this project, Greg chose Keene's RB20, which is a root barrier, our PCD 045, which is our prefabricated composite drain, as well as our newest product, the Aqua Balance Mat, which is a water retention layer. Now let us talk about what each of these products does. Let's start with Keene's RB20. This is our 20 mil high density polyethylene sheet. It is a root barrier that redirects roots to a horizontal growth plane while also preventing roots from penetrating the soft waterproofing membrane. Using RB20 in installations ensures that the waterproofing membrane remains protected from root damage both during and after installation. Now we'll talk about our PCD 045, which is our prefabricated composite drain. This product is designed to allow for high flow rates. So on days when you have, say, up to 3 inches of rainfall, the PCD 045 is going to allow for quick ventilation and drainage of that excess moisture. The main features and benefits of the PCD 045 are going to be 3 things. 1, the coverage rate. It is a 4 foot wide by 100 foot long roll, so you get 400 square feet of coverage per unit. 2, it's going to be easy to install. 3, it's extremely lightweight for the size and the square feet coverage that you get, allowing for easy transportation on the job site. Finally, we have the newest product from Keene in the Keene Green line, which is our Aqua Balance Mat. This mat is designed with a proprietary blend of 100% recycled polyester fibers to enhance capillary action and absorb and retain water quickly. It is capable of retaining up to 1.7 pounds of water per square foot. The product itself is perfect for stormwater retention and managing your stormwater runoff. It will allow for that water to be held for a period of time and then seep out gradually so that you do not overwhelm this urban city stormwater runoff system. With the Keene Green products, you are investing in a high-quality product line, as well as a company that has a 20-plus year history of performance in the building industry. We can help your company not only meet, but exceed the highest standards of efficiency and environmental friendliness. This helps us create green spaces that thrive and contribute to a healthier and more inviting urban environment.
Keene Green products are engineered for excellence and endorsed by industry experts. Transform your project with sustainable solutions that are designed to thrive. For more information, visit KeeneBuilding.com.